My name is Patrick Murphy. This presentation is regarding letters to City Council. Is this a transparency failure due to incompetence or intention, or what? Letters to City Council are supposed to be published on the city website so that anybody can go view them. In the past, they used to be in PDF format, and I would go through and see what everybody was talking to City Council about. But they improved it in a way that makes letters incomprehensible and actually destroys transparency and makes it almost impossible to understand what people are writing to City Council about. So first, let me demonstrate how you get to those letters. So you go to Boulder City Council, you click on Council Documents, scroll way down and emails to City Council. Now, sometimes this comes right up and sometimes you have to struggle to get there. So here we are, and you've got all this, this is great for somebody who is a database manager. What it's not good for is citizens or the press that want to find out what letters are being sent to City Council. So I can go more here. So supposedly these are the data fields, as if anybody, what percentage of the public actually knows what this is all about. And so I said, well, let's just go to data and see what that looks like. All right, so this is what the letters look like. This does not look like anything, and what are you going to do? I mean, you can click on this, you can scroll across, and exactly what do you see? Well, you can maybe expand this field. Nope, apparently can't expand this field. So that becomes unaccessible. Okay, maybe can I click table? So I could maybe download this and go look at it. But what's going to be in here is a bunch of text, none of the images, and it's going to be really hard to read. So I went to, well, let's look at API Explorer. Let's do a query. And I'm going to query something. And note that there are, I think, something like 32,000 records in here. So I said, well, gee, maybe I can find the emails I sent. So, you have to add a query. Okay. Once again, go to college, get a degree in database management. So I'm going to add a query. Select the attribute. I'm going to say sent from, and I'm going to say Patrick Murphy. And then what? And then get response. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Yeah, this is a system of transparency. This is to make it, okay, well, that doesn't look like anything I can use. What else is there? Oh, a query. Okay, let's go click on that. See what that comes up with. Oh, this is extremely helpful. Will you look at that? My, how handy can that be? So obviously that's not working either. So, I'm still fishing around. How am I going to get to something that looks like something? Let's see. Oh, here's what I can do. I can sort these. Okay, so I'm going to sent from, and okay, out of 32,720 emails, 1 of 10. So I can search through 32,000, but I've sorted it. So what I could do now is jump down eventually to maybe the emails that I sent. Okay, oh, we're almost getting to actual text here. Okay, no, nothing yet. Well, let's just jump to the end and start working backwards. Let's do that. Okay, still nothing. Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, we're at the Y's. Okay, I'm trying to get to the P for Patrick Murphy, I think. Okay, let's just keep scrolling. Let's take big jumps. Let's see, how can we do this? Okay, still going. Still going. I don't want you to think I'm doing this just to be mean to you. I'm doing this to show you what's going on. And we got a serious problem here. Because this is not, is there an easier way to scroll, I'm thinking. No, apparently not. You can't, you can only scroll 10 at a time. Yep, Only 10 at a time. Let's keep moving here. Quit talking about it. Just keep clicking, 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 clicking. Alrighty. We're already up to the T's. I wish I could like feed in a number, so I could go to some middle number. Can't do that. Holy mackerel. Surely there's an easier way. Wouldn't you think? Wouldn't you think that, the old days, it was easy to go to like 1 week and you could see what people had sent that 1 week. I don't know how to get it up any faster. Okay, let's just keep clicking. You need to know how this really works. Otherwise, you don't know what you're in charge of. Okay, sure there's an easy way. Okay, I could sort it. I couldn't really filter. Filter using the little, it doesn't really filter. It just sorts. Nope, it just sorts. It doesn't really filter. There's no, this is misnamed. Okay, sent from, and it doesn't filter columns, it sorts columns. So that's a mistake. So let's go down here, let's see, sent from, let's sort it, sent to, received from. Let's just start all over. I just want you to know what kind of a monster you've created. Okay. We're going backwards. We sorted it backwards. Maybe this will go faster. And I want you to know, this is the least of it. Wait till we get to the bad stuff. Because what I'm going to demonstrate is that my emails to City Council will be in here, but there's blocks of months that are totally missing. But one needs to prove things, not just state things. Oh heck, maybe I will just state things. So in the past, I've done this. I've sorted it, and I got it down to Patrick Murphy. So what I found was the last email they said I sent, and it was sorted, and I found other emails from 2021. But isn't this interesting? The last email that they recorded was from November 14th, 2020, as if I haven't sent any emails since then. Guess what? I've sent zillions of emails since then. Okay, let's go back. Now, if you come down here, here's another gap between April and September. A huge gap. Where are these emails? And like I said, there's lots and lots of them. So let's get back to the nitty-gritty. This is what I used to search through. They would make PDFs. Here's an example of a PDF I sent that would be total gobbledygook without showing any of these graphics or data. Okay, and the good things about a PDF is I can zoom in. If I can't see very well, I can zoom in. I can see what's really going on in these data. So, let's get back here and spend a little more time together searching these emails and trying to see what they actually look like. Oh, Patrick Murphy, we arrived. Oh, great. Okay, so 2019, they're upside down. They're upside down. Let's go here. Wait till we get to 2020. Oh, 2018, 09. Patrick Murphy. Oh, look at this. Nope, that's not me. That's somebody else. Okay, let's go back. I love the system. It's so damn efficient. Okay, so, oh, this is interesting. It only shows to 2018. Well, maybe I went the wrong way. Let's go back here. Oh, 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 here we go. This is better. It's right side up. I don't know why I'm laughing. This is pathetic. This is totally pathetic. Okay, so 2020, 11, 14, and then it went from February 2020 to November. There's a huge gap there. Okay, let's go down here. Oh, it's worse than I thought. So, oh, here we go. Okay, so there it is. That's this is all they have. You know, that was the last one that was recorded. So this gets back to that page I demonstrated. So 2020, November 14th. Oh, and I said download. I think you can download this thing. Isn't that awesome? Okay, no, no, don't see it down. Oh, wait, oh, there we go, download. That's how I did it. I downloaded the whole data sheet and then did a sort and then found it. Isn't that intuitive? So, dear city council members and Nuria, our new city manager, please fix this. If, you know, is this incompetence or intention, or is there some excuse that isn't documented on the warning? Don't send letters to city council unless, you know, some other criteria. But possibly hundreds of my letters to city council are missing. We need an answer. Please resolve this. Thank you.